High powered committee on COVID-19 pro 16th July 2020 te takan meeting lui kena public laga health safety karne takan ekta decision luisile kam te ule aru salary te olop bon eniga rukhai dibo eniga koina takise to 17 te itu notification to public domain te aise 18 July te aru Rising People's Party bisi fresh party ase political party Nagaland na takan pro ekta press release dise itu government toile bisi coward ekdam bhoy khala kam attitude ekta dekha ase aru government servants khan ke takan la nijor paisa pura itu testing khan kuribole aru enega toile itu ekta extortion nisna ase itu bi kushi thakan pra to aji to ami kan RPP office te aikena ase to RPP la itu press release te takan ki ase itu kotha to janibo aji ami kan
RPP press release दिया तो गवर्नमेंट पर की लिखी ने दिसे इदो एम्प्लॉइज खान लगा अपॉर्चुनिटी नहोय किने एम्प्लॉइज खान के दबाई दिया लगा निशना से कोविड इंजेक्शन ना लोइले वैक्सीनेशन ना लोइले ताई काम दे ना हिबो काम दे आहिले भी ताई के लीव विदाउट पे नाउ लीव विदाउट पे आरो इदो वैक्सीनेशन लगा साइ जाइले दो when the other states are central government bara that it is not mandatory itu koi kina ase to what is the reason that Nagaland to iman kara bara inaga kuri ase itu ami kan doubt kuri ase and second thing is judi tai kan vaccination to lobo lage nohoile bi test to report lobo lage kole the government should provide a facility where the government employees go and get their test done. Nohoile, if we take, for example, 800 rupees for a test, we have around 1,20,000 employees. That comes to around 9 crores, above 9 crores. So that is a huge amount the employees are going to spend. Itu kone, judi government to vaccination compulsory kurubo kodibi, there have to be an option where employees can do test kuri kine government para facility dibo lage itu ami kan itu koi ase
apni kan chief secretary ki to notification to immediately cancel kuri dibe na aru state to hele leadership crisis te ase itu bi kuise press release te to dolo koi dibo parbo
ami kan chief secretary ke dia do because the order came from his office itu gone we find fit that we should address to him and he should revoke the order as per the necessities aro leadership crisis ko do judi if the HPC has thoroughly gone through the norms aro covid laga protocols kan laga dusra state kan laga bi sabi aro what is the status of our COVID percentage. It will be side jaise gole to the leaders could have taken a better decision. Itu gone ami kan itu leadership crisis ko to itu laga koi ase.
Apni kan leadership crisis ko ase to ita ruling government to ki tete kiba problem pa ase apni kan keniga lagi ase takan la management chola itu kan toila as a political party.
No, we are not against any political party. Ole bi tai khan decision loa khan to hele to if it is not manu khan kone friendly no hoy itu koi ase especially the employees
to political ruling government to kinega ase takan ityat
ruling government is trying to do something but it will be tai khan ki kuri ase itu we doubt whether they are itu technically tai khan medically kiman tharo kuri ne kuri ase that is we don't know about that will be all of deep thinking kuri ne jaile to aro serious para kuri se gole to itu bal hobone ki itu babise
acha apni kan eti kuise after having made a blunder with the cess on the fuel the state government is again playing with the livelihood of its own employees to fuel this is itu paisa uthai dia bi apni kan itu bi against ase
it depends on the prerogative is on the government of course it to the government চেছ টো উঠাব গ'লে তো ইটো বি উই হেভ নো চে বাট কোভিড কাৰণে উঠাই আছে গ'লে তো ইটোতো কোভিড কাৰণে চলাব লাগে তো এতিয়া আমি খান এমপ্লয়িজ খানকে দ্য গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট এমপ্লয়িজ খান তাই খান টেষ্ট কৰিব লাগে গ'লে তো why don't they use that cess that they have been collected to test use it for the employees itu laga koi ase so employees kan agere koa nisina if they have to go for strict test of everyone then it is amounting to a huge amount if we take 800 rupees per test into 1,20,000 that amounts to more than 9 crores. So every 15 days, that amount will have to be spent by the employees. So we don't find that as reasonable.
Vaccine to mandatory kura to government la right decision ase na wrong ase.
Mandatory kuribole do that is wrong. If it is 100% proved, so they have the right to say that it is safety for everyone. Maybe when the vaccine is yet to be proved 100% efficacy, and the other places in the world are also fighting against the right to liberty, to freedom. Ito ami kan individual lagar right to infringe Korea se do. Ito lagate ami kan we also feel that the people should not be taken for a right.
So vaccination to mandatory kura to right decision no hai.
If they feel that if it is proven that it is 100%, the efficacy is 100%, then that is something else. But it will be proved to Nohoi. So how can you force or make someone the vaccination mandatory when it is not proved 100% by the medical sciences? Yeah.
Which means 100% as well mandatory kuribe.
That is something else.
Okay. तो Covishield to le ami kan medical hospitals kan no de jana to le 70% something as. Sputnik Nagaland available vaccine duita te. Sputnik 90%. Na? तो itu duita to 90% to kinibo lagi as. Whereas government la free as. तो itu dekhi as apni kan kotha te as a political party Nagaland laga.
Now see the vaccination law to individual hai law aise to government is not paying for the vaccines to the individuals to individual khushi ase kon tu lobole mon ase either Covishield lobo na Sputnik lobo itu dutai laga upore ase so we have no say for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Follow up kurta gibi Nagaland TV for latest news, interviews, stories, updates karne. Thank you. Mulo camera te ase Chingpom.